Hi, y'all. Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back. And this is kind of a progress video of sorts, but having to rely on AI to find out how to take. This has a power antenna, and Jose here needs to gain access to the wire. And since the antenna has broken off, I do happen to have a replacement. I happen to have I have several replacements because I'm going to do it on the W126 as well. But I happen to have a replacement antenna mast with the cable. So he has found the access point to that. I'm going to do a video while he's doing that, just simply because, well, I think for this W108 chassis, we need that. So take it away there, sir. And he says we don't need to get to it we don't need to take the wheel off. So I'm going to see if I can get the camera down there to where. Oh, I see.
And up here, and that's it.
Oh, really? It's a full access panel.
Yep.
Huh. Probably a 10 millimeter.
8.
8. Ooh, 8. Ooh, they skimped. So it's just 2 bolts. And then we'll take the whole motor assembly out, and then I'll do a video taking it apart. Chances are this is probably a Hirschman power antenna.
Yes.
It is? Okay.
That's exactly what the form was saying.
Okay. And Hirschman is a brand that Mercedes has used for years. And so that's what the and if you go on eBay, you find sellers that are saying, you know, we'll work for Mercedes-Benz, we'll work with Mercedes-Benz. Well, no, they really don't. So this video is going to help get us in there so that
clean this up a little bit. Access panel there.
So this video will be how to remove the power antenna assembly from a Mercedes W108. And I would imagine this would be the W108 and 109 chassis as well.
Yeah.
One more bolt. So a fender bolt.
Yeah.
Oh, actual fender bolt is holding it. So, okay. Oh, it's okay. So you're gonna need a open end or box end. So one of those bolts is holding that panel in as well.
Yep. So I got 2 in the variable fender, and then 1 inside the
engine compartment.
Yep.
Should we be disconnecting the battery?
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Safety first. I have some metrics over here. There's a lot of mine solved. Probably an 8 millimeter as well.
Yep. Rusty blade.
Oh, this car's a California car. It can't be rusty. At least we're doing something different other than welding and getting really dirty.
Oh, that never bothered me.
Oh, looky there. And look about there, dude. There's the other side. Is that the fan motor in there as well? Or is that the power antenna?
That's the motor, the fan motor, because the cover's inside.
Ah, gotcha.
And there she is.
Probably 3 bolts to take it out, and that'll all pop out of there then, I'm going to guess.
Oh no, it just takes one nut, the whole unit comes out,
I'll be darned.
and unscrew it from up here first.
Okay. Well, folks, there's the video of how to access it to the power antenna on a W108 and 109 chassis. It is in the right fender well. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video right there. And looks like he's getting that apart. So now I get to rebuild the antenna itself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and catch you on the next one.